Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by granting the app what it needs to function: location, notifications, and background refresh. Give precise GPS access so alerts are localized to your neighborhood instead of a general area. Once done, open notification settings and set the app to high priority. This ensures banners, sounds, and lock screen alerts. Make sure battery optimization exclusions are active so alerts arrive when the phone is idle. These steps let the app listen constantly and deliver timely, actionable warnings without delay. Now you fine-tune what you receive and why. Pick which alert types matter to you: immediate shaking notifications, magnitude-based warnings, or tsunami advisories, so you avoid unnecessary noise. Adjust the magnitude cutoff and distance radius to filter events. A 4.0+ threshold within 50 km catches relevant quakes. Once configured, choose sound, vibration, and quiet hours to match your routine. This keeps important alerts audible while silencing non-critical times. Make sure to test a sample alert to confirm settings. Finish by validating the system. Run the app's test alert and verify you receive sound, banner, and vibration. Practice a simple response. Drop, cover, hold on for the duration of the test so your muscle memory forms. If an alert fails, immediately reconfirm permissions, disable battery saver for the app, and check cellular or Wi-Fi connectivity. Reboot the device if needed. Finally, keep the app and OS updated so future alerts remain accurate and reliable. That prevents most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.